Hi, my name is Justin from Aljex Software, and today I'll be showing you how to access the customer file in Aljex Vision. Starting from your home page, navigate to the Customers tab at the top and click on View Customers. I can look up my customers by any of these fields: customer name, city, phone, state, sales rep, zip code, and next call date. Maybe I want to pull a list of customers by a particular city or state range. This is where I can do it. I'm going to look up my customer by name. You'll need to put in at least one field to pull a listing of customers. Once you select your customer from the list, it will take us to the customer profile. Please see the CRM or Customer Relationship Manager video for instructions on how to set this up. At the very top right of the customer profile is the documentation dropdown. This is where you can upload and scan documents into different folders for this particular customer. The number next to the folder name is the number of documents in the folder. If you want to view the documents or add additional documents, click on the folder name. Here are the previously uploaded documents. You can also add additional documents to folders by dragging and dropping files or scanning directly from your computer's scanner. Next to documentation is a Notes drop-down menu where you can enter in general, collection, or sales notes. The top section is all the basic information for this customer: name, address, city, state, and phone. At the top of the section is where you can assign a web login username and password for customers to log in to the customer portal. Customers can track their own shipments, view and accept quotes, and view open accounts receivables. On the side is your status yes or no field. A customer status of yes means they're a shipper of yours. They're active, a bill to, they're giving your business, they have an established credit limit, they're an actual customer, and they can be used by a dispatcher to create a shipment. A customer status of no means they're an inactive customer. Maybe they're over their credit limit, maybe they owe you money. Any reason may possibly deactivate a shipper. Or maybe they are a pickup or consignee location. You can also store those in your customer file so that you don't have to data enter their info whenever you build a load. Pickup and consignee locations go in with an N status. Also, an N status would be any leads or prospective customers. Next is room for primary and secondary contact information. Below you will find pickup and delivery confirmation preferences. This is where you can set up your customer to automatically receive information on their shipment pickup and delivery statuses. As long as you have a Y in the pickup and delivery fields, your customers will receive notification on their shipments once they've been put onto a load or delivered status. AP contact is the person who will receive due balance summaries. You'll need to tell the system how they want to receive the notifications via email or fax. The next section is where credit limits are established and all other information will come over from the accounting side. There is also room for additional contacts if you need to enter more than 2. In the dispatch section are the customer preferences and defaults. This is where you can set if a customer will have miles automatically calculated for them if you have Pro Miles through Aljex. In the Auto Calculate Mileage field, you can turn Auto Mileage Calculation on or off for this customer if you have Pro Miles integration enabled with us. To enable the Auto Calculate Mileage, make sure there is a Y in this field. In the Mileage Type field, you can choose either short or practical mileage calculation. In the accounting section, you can set up how the customer will receive their invoices via email, fax, or print. If email or fax, make sure to enter the email or fax number where your Aljex system will send the invoices. The tariff and rating section is where you can establish the tariff number that is associated with this customer for line haul auto rating. Please see the auto rating and tariff video for instructions to set this up. Suggested routing can be emailed directly to a driver from your main dispatch screen. These are special directions to this location. The last section is the confirmation notes section. These are carrier-specific rate confirmation notes for your customer. If your customer needs something specific on every shipment, the carrier needs to know. You can enter it in here once instead of typing it out on every shipment that you do for the customer. If you had any questions about this video, feel free to contact us at help@aljex.com.